Now this the object points components or features like screen, we have seen earlier, screen, report, and 3GL. Okay, so this 3GL is also called as modules, or you may simply say modules, or you can call the term as 3GL module. So these three components or features need to be categorized or classified as simple, medium, and difficult. Now how can we classify those components into simple, medium, and difficult? Is there any way or any method to do so, or we just simply assign any kind of screen or report or module as simple, medium, difficult as in we like? So no, it's not the case. Okay, you need to make the classification by using this scheme, the table that's given here. So this scheme is solely for screen. So let's say in a screen, okay, so there will be views content in a screen, right? So in a particular screen you can view the different components, right? So those components is considered as views. For example, in a booking screen, okay, you can see the view as the date, right? So view component as date, then the date will be given in a calendar and the time when it's available, okay? So also the pricing details. So these are the views. So different view sections of the screen, okay? So let's say if a particular screen contains less than 3 views, okay, with the total source data less than 4, then you can categorize it as simple. And it's for the same number of views, if the data table is less than 8, and it's categorized as simple, and if more than 8, then it's categorized as medium. Okay, and if the views is in between 3 to 7, then and accordingly, if the data table is less than 4, it's simple, medium, and difficult accordingly. And if it is more than 8 number of views, then the data table is medium, difficult, and difficult respectively. So you just see the pattern here, okay? So at the diagonal side it's medium, and on the other side of the diagonal, that you may call it head, it's simple, and at the tail side it's difficult, right? So how do you classify an object point, okay, or yes, a feature for object point as simple, medium, and difficult? Now secondly, for reports, right? So for report also it's quite same or similar, not same but similar. Just the thing is that in reports you will see section in terms of view. So there will be different sections contained in a report. Like what are you going to report about? Cell, if you are going to report about cell, so it will have in a report it will have different sections. Okay, sections about investment, section about profit, or section about revenue generated by the particular system. Okay, so in here, if the section number is 0 to 1, then simple, okay, provided the data table is less than 4. And if it is 2 to 3, then it's simple for less than 4 data table. And if the section number is more than 4, then the data table, the complexity, okay, it's normally the complexity, okay, the complexity is medium. So similarly for other data table like less than 8 and more than 8, okay, it will be simple, medium. The pattern is same, just like the screen, the one that you have seen for the screen. Just the thing that's different is the number of sections and views content in both screen and report.